May we very quickly, without punctuation, bring for enjoyment pleasure African comedian of global repute, the one and only Clint, the drunk.
Sorry, DJ, please off your own equipment. I don't know why a human being like you, they introduce an idiot on stage and the music you can play is blues. You're playing blues for me. You don't know any music that is very good for mad people. Do I look normal to you? DJ anyhow. Sorry. Back to the reason I'm here. Please, everybody here, put your hands together for yourself. You deserve it. Honestly. Your Excellency, the Governor of Africa, Imo State Branch. I know why I called you that. Because I don't know how you did it. I don't know how you succeeded in bringing people from all over Africa to one roof. And you're all communicating and you're understanding yourselves. It's not easy. If you think it's a lie, try doing what I did. I first one day decided to go to China to go and buy charger for my phone. As I got to the immigration, the lady looked at me and the first thing she told me was, "Ni hao." I said, "My dear, anyhow. I don't care how you do it, I just want to buy charger and go." Language can be a big problem. Okay, what of when we went to which country? Cameroon. And you know that they speak two languages, Francophone and microphone. Okay, sorry, I think the other one is saxophone. But there's a phone in the other one too. They all use phone. So when I got there, I gave them my passport. The lady looked at me and said, "Bonjour." I got confused. She looked at me and said, "Bonjour." I said, "No, ma, it's not possible. I'm not born in June. I'm born in March. Look well, it's March, not June." Language can cause things. Do you know there are places you go to as a Nigerian, especially as an Igbo man? Some things they will say will affect your life. Recently, I went to Mozambique. Yeah, Mozambique, thank you. It's the big part. I thought it was pencil. Mozambique, I went there and people were talking. And they said something. Do you have any Mozambican person here? Anyone? If you're here, please raise your hand. I need to respect you people. Thank you. See, what I'm going to say, she's there. If this thing I'm going to say is wrong, please say it's wrong. But if it's right, just wave. In your place, when someone wants to say, "I don't have money," what would they say? Is it not Akunachumu? Please, if it's Akunachumu, please, can you wave? You see? Akunachumu is, "I don't have money." You don't want to say that thing here. If you know the meaning in Igbo language, oh my God, Akunachumu. How can you say that here? But it means something else there. In case you don't know, in Igbo language, Akunachumu means prostitute with children. And at the end of the day, if you look at it well, a prostitute with children actually doesn't have money. So it means the same thing but from different angle. I'm telling you. Language can cause a lot of problem. But one good thing is this. No matter the language you speak, we will always enjoy one thing from every country, and it's the music. Music has a universal way of doing what we call in English language. Like music has a way of creating an upheaval in a metamorphosis of human dichotomy. I don't know if you understood what I said, because even me as I'm saying it, I don't know the hell what I'm talking about. After speaking this English now, I'm more confused than you. Music. You know, like here in Nigeria, we have 3 major tribes outside Igbo and Yoruba. Yoruba people, their music is what we call sudden occurrence in music. If you are not used to their music, please don't stay near any speaker. Because the way the music will start, you might not understand yourself. As you're sitting near the speaker, from nowhere, all you hear is, but enemy, sir, you see, even Your Excellency is nearly shocked now. I saw you. That's how the music, it can give you a heart attack. Outside people, their music, simple. They don't need all this band, everything here, they don't need it. Outside people, their life and their music, very simple. Track 1, track 2, track 3, track 4, or for their music, the same thing. They don't change it. Only one guitarist will come out and be playing. Continue. Just be playing that. And then the outside man will come out. Hey! Shaggy! Ahoy! Dambre over! Kagani Kajuko! You say, please sing track 2, track 2. Hey, I go sing and walk track 2. Okay. Hey! Shaggy! Dambrova. No, okay, sing track 5. Since it's the same thing. Track 5, okay. Track 5. Track 5. Hey! Shaggy! Dambrova, the same thing. Just, it's okay. You people are even adding jollof rice to it. It never really sounds that, but it's the same thing. But the people, I like their music. Igbo Kwenu. You see, the people that are shouting now, those are the people that, it's not like we like money more than the rest of the world. But we have another kind of approach towards making money. Igbo man will come on stage to sing a song. He'll first send somebody, my brother, go and collect the name of all the big people here and bring it to me. They'll go and collect the names. As the guy is collecting the name, he'll come on stage. He will not waste your time. He'll be there. Then the band will start playing. The band is always complete. Reduce. All this is wasting time for them to get the names. They are wasting. The man will come out and look at the crowd. The musician. We don't dance. We don't have that time to waste that kind of energy. We know what we are here for. So in order to look and not waste your time, first of all, they dance something like this. Then he sees the boy that went to collect the names. Have you collected the name? The guy says yes. He collects the paper we are not afraid to use paper and sing. It is part of what you paid for. He will look. Then he will see the name of the governor. He will look. He will see. He will say, he will see deputy governor. Then he will see other people that he knows. The only part of the song he wrote is the chorus. So you hear something like this, he'll sing it. Oh Sunday, oh Wendy. Backup singers, we praise you people. Don't worry, watch. Oh Sunday, oh Wendy.
Sunday, oh Wendy. Sunday, oh Wendy.
Nothing else that he wrote.
Sunday, oh Wendy. Sunday, oh Wendy.
Ice water. What does ice water have to do with music? Are you even meant to drink it before singing? Then the paper comes into play. Oh well, Governor of Africa, Imo State branch. You and your lovely wife. I can do no. That is for Igbo people. But you know the people I love their music the most. The highest of all the singers in the world. Please, if you like reggae music, raise your hand. If you like it, raise your hand. Because they don't know where to face. Here or there. Here or there. Always confused. Then the weed will block their brain. The brain is blocked. When the man comes into the stage, sorry, I don't know, I just, okay. When he comes into the stage, he will look. He's not seeing any human being. To be sure that he's facing the right side of the crowd, he will shout, "Ayman." If I say Ayman, you reply, "Yeah, man." Ayman. Now he's sure that you people are here. Fellow weed smokers are here. Then at that point, what would he sing about? He can't remember anything. He'll just remember one day that he's walking down the road and he hit his leg on a stone. That is all he'll sing about for you. Just walking down the road and hitting leg on a stone. Now, to get the music to start, first of all, you know all of them, they've smoked weed also. He'll start with the bass guitar because that's the only way he can hear well. He'll shout, "Bass guitar man." You answer with, "Bass guitar man." You see, he's standing close. He would have just said, "Yeah, man." But he had to play the "yeah, man" in the guitar. Is it normal? Now, he will say, "I want you to play something like this for me, man. Listen. Dun, do 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 dun dun dun. Do 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 dun 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 dun. Do 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 dun dun dun. Do 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 dun 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 dun." Just only play. You see, he's playing it. This is only what he's playing. It doesn't really sound like reggae yet. The person playing keyboard, if you notice the hair, he doesn't even have hair. He has shaved the hair and mixed it with weed and smoke both the weed and the hair. Nothing is remaining. His life is empty now. So when he plays like where there's electric problem. It will come, it will go. It's never steady. So when he plays like something like, listen, he'll play mwaka, 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 mwaka. Thank you, you see? The reggae is coming up. Then the person playing the guitar, his problem is like real madness. You know, real madness doesn't come immediately. It comes slowly. Then it will graduate. But his one is like real madness. Anything he plays right now, anything, no matter what, it will enter. Watch what I mean. Oh yeah, solo. Is that normal? And then the person with the drums plays like the madness in the psychiatric hospital. In the morning is low, afternoon is higher, at night they go buck wild. Something like this. Are you ready? Now listen. A one, a two. Is this not reggae music? Is this not reggae music? Reduce the velocity. Volume. Sorry. It's English. Now at this time, the person singing, he can't remember anything to sing. To open the brain that was blocked with weed, he would dance one dance like that to allow blood to open the head. He would dance something like this. And as he throws his head backwards, the weed will clear, the eyes will open, he'll see the crowd. He wants to shout out of surprise, hey! But he will encode the shouting. You think it's part of the music. That's why when they do it, they shout like this. They say, chok, 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 chok. At that time, what will he sing about? You remember the day he's walking down the road, hits leg on stone, and that is what he'll sing. He'll go like this. Roll it for me. Just the other day, I said just the other day. Why is he repeating if he knows what he's singing about? I said just the other day. Oh God. Wait first. This key is too high. Use another key. Use Volkswagen key. Or key with padlock. Okay. So they'll continue. Just the other day, I say just the other day. He's repeating because he's confused. What does he sing about? I say just the other day. Oh gosh. I say just the other day. Then to further confuse you, he'll now say, ew, 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 ew. I will, hey, ew, 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 ew. Does that have any meaning? Any meaning? I said just the other day, I came out of my own house. Sorry, is it your house they'll come out from before? Is it not their own house? And it's a song he's singing for you. I said just the other day, I came out of my own house. Then I saw my friend, he was standing down the road. Is it your business? So I decided, hey, I decided to do what? Now, at this time, you see the backup singers, you don't invite them, they invite themselves. Because wheat is singing. Any other thing they do, they will back you up as if they planned it. So I decided to go and meet my friend. I didn't know there was a stone on the floor. So I hit my leg on stone. Join the backup. Stone. I hit my leg on stone. I hit my leg on stone. And when you will, you be stoned. I say I hit my leg on stone. After that, what happened? He has talked about the experience, nothing else to talk about. So he will now confuse you by saying something you can never understand in your life. They'll say something like this. They'll say, You know, some say it's a la, some say whoa. When am I saying? You know me dan hey. Rest of fried rice, last year I ate it, but it's scatter. Rude boy. Now, deep your confusion, they'll start a sentence and they will not complete it. They'll go like this. They'll say, I said that. What did they say? To end the music, they shout, Will Selector, Will! If at this point, ladies and gentlemen, after fooling myself like this, father of 3 children, and your neighbor is not laughing, that doesn't mean I'm not funny enough. It only means that your problem is bigger than my talent. You need God in your life. Thank you very much. God bless you.